Going to Mother of Armenia. How many hours? 15? 1.5?
1.5, yeah.
Okay.
It's up.
Okay. Ayan si Mother. Malapit na kami sa front. Have to have distance para makita yung full image ni Mother. Kasi eto, malayo-layo pa siya. In front ni Mother ay mayroong fire. Ano ba to? Fire. Pwede ba lumapit? Wala namang ano, diba? So I think pwedeng lumapit kasi meron siyang live fire dito. You can feel the heat here. Amoy gas siya. Ang nakalagay dito is, yun lang, wala ding English translation. Kaya medyo mahirap din malaman kung ano yung mga... I'll check yung overview dito sa corner. Kasi mataas na lugar to ng Yerevan. Check natin kung ano makikita sa taas. Okay. Overview ng city. Tingnan natin pa yung ibang side. Pero yun lang makikita mo. And I don't think open yung loob. So tingnan natin kung anong meron. So ganyan lang siya. Tapos ito talaga siya. Yan. Okay. Balik na kami. Then we will go to Tbilisi. Tbilisi na kami.
Hindi? Wala kaming rayuma?
Wala ba?
Yeah. Okay. You know, it has conflict with Azerbaijan. Yeah. Azerbaijan years ago they had war also.
Azerbaijan is close here also.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we go that way because we came from the other side.
Yeah.
So we go back to our parking. This is our last itinerary in Armenia, and we're going back to Tbilisi after we finish our lunch. So mag-lunch na lang kami and then we'll go back. Stray dogs.
Yeah, they're big, so must be they are like
Well fed.
well fed or yeah.
Ika, what's inside here?
Inside there's like a museum. There's pictures from Armenia history, but most pictures are from war.
Oh.
And all are with Armenian letters also.
Oh. So it's also a museum below the Mother of Armenia. Balik na uli kami. Bye, Mother. Bye, Mother. Oh, diba? Parang kumanta lang siya, kaloka. In the same place that we had lunch yesterday. So, the Chovagvok. Ano, kaya pa ba, te? I-pronounce na ano nila. Chovagvok food court. Dito uli kami magla-lunch. So, bili uli kami. Tingnan ko kung ano yung in-order nila. Ayun, iba naman ang kinuha niya. O, diba? Napaka-adventurous niya. What we ordered for today, diba? Para na naman fiesta. Hanggang mamayang gabi na daw yan.
Oo, yan ang babaon.
Babaunin na namin kasi walang rice doon sa Georgia. So, ayan na naman ang aming pagkain. Fiesta. Ay.
The chicken.
So this is for our dessert. Snickers siya pero cake. Oh, di ba? Parang Snickers talaga siya para ano. Oh. Tikman natin kung masarap. Okay, we finish our lunch. Tapos bumili kami ng additional souvenir dito sa shop na to. Yeah, dito sa shop na to. And then magta-travel na uli kami papuntang border. Uy, lamig! Palabas ng Armenia and then papasok uli ng Georgia. So, yan, babiyahe uli kami. We just exited Armenia and now we are going entry to Georgia. What's your experience in Armenia?
Very nice.
Very nice, pero ang tsura mo.
Because I'm tired. It's very nice.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice overall.
Yeah, it's really worth coming here. And next time to other country, not here anymore.
Yeah. So this will be the first and we're not going to come back. Pero it's nice to experience.
Yeah, it's worth it.
Next step naman is to enter Georgia again. So we successfully enter again in Georgia. We passed the
From
immigration
from Saudi.
successfully.
Okay.
Now we're going back.
Go.
From the border, we have 1 hour more to go before reaching our hotel. Let's go.